Yo, what's up? This is Angry Tom Tom channel, and today I will be telling you and what I think is a multi-bagger potential Indonesian stocks list. After I learned from Andrew Hakim, one of the most successful kids in Indonesia that have like 20,000% return in within 4 years. Now I'm gonna be replicating what he's done using like one of the stocks that I think it's gonna go up. Okay, let's take a look at the price. Okay, this is the price. This is what it looks, and the all-time high is around 565. It's called Panca Budi Idaman, which is like a manufacturer of plastic packaging and stuff. And it is interesting because it is like the leading company in Indonesia for plastics, and it's breaking 2023 412 level. And if you look at this important market cap, my teacher Mr. Andrew Hakim always teach me, get the fucking leader, and I got it. This is the PBID. I got it in the containers and packaging. It is number one, so I'm getting the best of the best. Okay, and this is the website. Okay, this is, I think, one of his kids, Robbie Taslim, one of the commissioners. And if you look at this profile, it's a manufacturing company. You can read it yourself. The plastic bag, polypropylene, polyethylene, high density, food wrapping, plastic ropes, rubber bands, straws. And his founder is Johnny Taslim family, founder and the president, like the president director of PBID, Panca Budi Idaman, which is the subsidiary of Alphan International Company with the vision. You gotta read the vision. Becoming a consumer plastic bag company with the largest distribution network and priority on quality and service to customer and business. That's amazing. Okay, priority on quality and service, and the mission is expanding the distribution in Indonesia and abroad, and improving production standard and quality. Again, providing the best service. Okay, and utilizing the latest information system and technologies, and improving employee satisfaction and business partner. I like this mission. I like this vision. This is how it looks like. The guy looks decent, and this is the vision that I was talking about. And you can see the article, Anak Medan Raja Kantong Plastik. Okay, it started in 1979, but it's not listed until 2017. Okay, you can read it all by yourself. I put it here. It's ISO company. Okay, it started with merchant. You can read it by yourself. Okay, company first, the first company in Indonesia to have a plastic bag as a finished product, blah blah blah. You can read it yourself. The first company again to advertise TV for plastic bag finished product and brand awards, blah blah blah. There's a factories in Solo, Central Java, Sumatra, Tangerang, Cilegon, Banten, and another factory over there, heavy duties sack. Okay, that store plastic. Okay, it is one of the market leader of plastic bag, but I think it is like the best. Okay, so as of now, I am looking at the value investing metrics that my teacher always say. You got to look at the value investing. Okay, the market cap is 3.51 million, as I showed you right here. Okay, 3.51. You can verify it in IDN financials. Okay, and the equity of 2.558 trillion, which is 5 times of its total liability, which is safe. Cash flow 60%. Quick ratio to 15 means they can pay their short-term debt. Okay, and the net profit is 252 billion quarter. Okay, and in the Q1 and Q2 it's strong. PBV is 1.36, which is good, and PER 6.95, which is within the decent range, because you gotta look at the 5 until 15. Now it's 5 to 10 or 5 to 15. It's 6.95, which is not that cheap, but it's not that bad too. PBV 1.36, and Q1 and Q2 EPS is better. Okay, and they pay dividend too, which is pretty good. I'm gonna show you like the slides, and you can see the dividend yield. It's 5.3% to 8.55%, which is pretty good, considering today's price that is already going up. Okay, and the debt equity is only 20%. Okay, the EPS is kind of growing, not too much, but it's growing. Okay, about you know um like more than 20%, 50 to 67, yeah, maybe 25%. Okay, and okay, according to the ownership, as I saw in the stock bid, it's only 11.25%. This is three Taslim family is considered individual, but they have like the owner. So I didn't that so that's not a retail, but it's the owner, and this is the subsidiary of this company, Panca Budi, which is no, this is the mother company, the mother company. Okay, Alphon International. Okay, they never do any selling transaction for the Alphon. I don't know. I have not seen it in the insider list of the stock bet. Only Johnny is doing the buying and selling, which is only total of 8% of the total shares. Okay, and there's a corporate action too. Okay, at the June 3, 2024, stock split of 1 to 4. Okay, so it was 4 times more expensive. So it was probably around 1600 rupiah, and now it is stock split. And after the stock split, right away, he bought it on the June 4. One day after the stock split, he bought at 418. Okay, so technical analysis, or you know now we're looking at the technical analysis, which is 11. Current price is 468, and the previous year high of 2023 is 412, which is pretty close to the fucking 418 closing price. Okay, pretty good. Okay, and the all-time high is 560, so or about 20% from the current level of 468. Okay, so this is the current price, around 12% higher than Johnny Taslim buying price, and the EMA9 is at 457 or 449. So you can average around here if it drops, or up to this 418 level, 412 level. You can use this as a support level as long as the owner doesn't sell. Okay, this is the competitor, which is the PDPP and TRST. As you can see here, this is the PDPP, TRST, the company, and the price is around that much. I haven't done any comparison yet. Okay, and the bond homology is sentiment to medium low accumulation, and this is the top 3 buyer from the EP, XL, NI, and top 3 seller from Ajaib, Mandiri, and JP Morgan. So top 3 buyer is from MNC, Mahakarya, and BNI. You can take a look at this. It is small to medium accumulation, like on the Friday, and this is they sell more than it's offered to buy. So I don't know about the future market capitalization. Maybe you guys can fill in the blank. I don't know anything about plastics, but the ROE is pretty good. This is the price of today. Okay, I put a watch list of a low float and big emittance. So this is what I compile. Okay, and this is the technical analysis, as you can see. Okay, you can see the cross. It is the 418 where the owner buy, and this is the ownership, as you can see. The masyarakat is around 13.87, okay, percent. Okay, this is the transaction of the Johnny Taslim. Actually, he's been not doing any transactions since 2018, 2017. I think he's doing most of the buying. Okay, so last time he sold 156. Now he's buying it at 470. So accumulation is around 627, as you can see here, and as you can see in the stock bid, look at the 627, right? So he bought another 470 million shares in order for him to get into the 8.36% on the June 4th. Maybe that's why the price is going up. Okay, so you got to look at this. I'll make it bigger. Okay, so he rarely does the buying and the selling except during 2018, 2017. Okay, so now he's buying it again. We'll see if so he doesn't do a lot of buying and selling actually, but he does it during only the 2017. um I'm not sure why he does that, but it's ranging from the 2017 December to April 2018. So it's within 4 months. Okay, he's buying and then selling, but he doesn't do it that often, and I cannot see on the record, so it should be fine. This is what I'm talking about. The EPS, it keeps growing, you know, except during the 2022, but after that it keeps growing little by little, and then the Q1 and the Q2 is 18 and 16, which is higher. Okay, that's the record. They've been paying dividends since 2018. Don't forget to divide it by 4 because it's already split. Look at the DPS, it's only 40, you know, on the 2023. So you have to divide it by 4. 160 over here divided by 4 equal to 40 over here. Okay, you can see that, right? DPS, okay, on the 2023. Okay, and 100 divided by 4, it's equal to 25. This is the 2002 dividend year, as you can see. I'll zoom it. Okay, and that's the market cap, and you can see the equity is larger than the liability. It is still net profit, the cash flow too, and you can see the ratio is the price to book value, PER, and then debt to equity. You can see the ROE, which is important, 19.6%, which is not bad, and the net profit not that much, about 10.16%. Okay, so I think pretty much that's what I was researching, and I might get this if there's like an insider, so it will go up even more because the owner believed that it should go up above 418, just like money. I don't know how much it will go up. I'm just looking at the high, the previous high. So we'll see what happened. If you guys have any comment, let me know down below. If it can go up above you know 460, I mean 560, I'll be looking forward to it. Of course, it also depends on the profit of the company, but at the same time you will still receive dividend about 5.328%, which is your safety net. So if your price going down to here, if you have like 5 to 8%, I think it should be again. And also if it is like around here, it should be like 5 to 8%, and then you get the owner price around here. So you should not worry if it touches this 418 area, or until 412. You should be fine. You just keep adding. I think you should divide your money by 4 or by 3. I don't know. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And if I were you, I would also check the competitor. Maybe they have a cheaper price and a better assets, but I have not done it yet. So this is for now. Guys. Stay strong and question everything. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and